New research shows COVID-19 testing is just as effective using saliva samples as it is with those deep nasal swabs. That announcement was made today by the University of Utah and ARUP Laboratories. New specialist Alex Cabrera was on this story. And Alex, this could be a game changer.
Especially since with that old nasal swab test, Deanie, that stick going all the way up your nose, it is uncomfortable and invasive. Spitting into a tube is a lot easier.
Medical laboratories are all about testing, constantly coming up with new ways and new procedures to advance medicine. Today was a big day.
We're excited based on the results.
The University of Utah and ARUP Laboratories teamed up for a research project to prove saliva can be used to detect COVID-19 in someone instead of that invasive deep nasal swab so many people have done.
We're able to show with pretty, robust confidence, we think, in our statistics that saliva looks to be just as effective as the standard deep swab.
Their study is based on research involving more than 350 people, showing COVID-19 was detected in 90% of the patients who truly ended up testing positive for the virus, which doctors say is nearly the same positivity rate as the nasal swab.
Has gone through the scientific process, the peer review process, and is now published electronically in a high-quality medical journal. And I think that answers a lot of those concerns about, is this really a valid test? It clearly is.
Patients spit into a tube to a fill line, then cap it and give it to a medical worker doing the test. Even though it is an easy test, doctors say it's not one anyone can do at home just yet.
At this point, the FDA only authorized saliva testing if the sample is collected in a healthcare facility or is being observed by a healthcare worker.
Now, test results could come back in 8 to 10 hours for patients who appear to be sick and might need to be admitted into a hospital.